Let's take a look at the latest updates from the parking industry. Nortec, Total Support Services and Nedap have come together to update the access control system and improve access at St James's Market. Nedap's uPASS target was installed to supply a robust solution for long-range identification to the recently installed security gates at the market. TSS selected the uPASS target as its plug-and-play feature makes installation simple, whilst its variety of industry-standard communication interfaces supports seamless integration into existing and third-party systems for access control. To find out more about this project, visit the Showcases tab at parking-net.com. In Hanover, the renovation of an historic building has been made possible by installing the city's first bidirectional parking system. Automated Parking Corporation solved the extreme space challenge with their automated parking system, a puzzle system which fits 38 vehicles into the footprint of 9. Following their successful acquisition of Hikob, an IoT specialist, TagMaster finds themselves one step closer to becoming one of the main players in the ITS market in France, UK and Nordic countries. TagMaster has acquired all assets related to Hikob's sensor products, which are particularly useful in the EV charging industry. Parking has been made much easier in Doncaster following the reintroduction of IPS payment machines accepting coins and contactless technology. The parking experience is much improved now that customers are no longer limited to just one payment method. How many parking systems does it take to manage a parking lot? At Brussels Airport, the answer is now just the one, following the installation of IP Parking's parking management system, which allows administrators to control 5,000 non-public spaces from a distance at the touch of a button. Do you manage the parking facilities of a shopping centre, airport or venue? Don't miss out on our Parking Network events where you can join over 20 hours of networking, workshops and open discussions. Register now at parkingevent.com. Fancy an excuse to visit Las Vegas? Well, this year's NPA Convention and Expo will be held there from the 22nd to the 25th of October. You can find us at booth 131, so be sure to stop by and see us. And we'll also be exhibiting at Gulf Traffic in Dubai from the 4th to the 6th of December. Stop by at booth Z1.E30 to say hello. Visit our parking events tab at parking-net.com to find out more. That's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Alex Fontaine. See you next time.